Hello, today we're going to look at doing some conversions using dimensional analysis. And we're going to start off with a nice easy one. We're going 23.5 feet to centimeters. So we start off, we want the feet to divide out, so we're going to have feet in the denominator, and we want centimeters. Again, these feet will divide out if you've set it up correctly. We can look up on our conversions. There's 30.48 centimeters to 1 foot. Multiply this out, we get 716.28 centimeters. Now, the 23.5 only had 3 significant digits. So we have to round our final answer to 3 significant digits as well. So the actual final answer is 716 centimeters. Now, there are multiple ways you could have done this. This was just a quick one. We could have started by going to inches, because everybody knows there's 12 inches to 1 foot. And then there's a conversion factor for inches to centimeters, 2.54 centimeters to 1 inch. And this will give us the same answer. Now we're going to convert 0.25 pounds to grams. So we want grams on top, pounds on the bottom, and if you look up on your conversion tables, there is 453.6 grams to 1 pound. Multiplying this, we get 113.4 grams, but we have to round to 2 significant digits, giving us 110 grams. This next conversion is a rate. We have 9.2 gallons per hour, and we want to convert to milliliters per second. So we're converting a rate. So we have 9.2 gallons. I find it easier if you put it over 1 hour like this. You'll make less mistakes. We're going to convert the gallons to milliliters first. There are 3.785 liters to 1 US gallon. And then we also need it to be in milliliters. There are 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. Now to deal with time. We want hours on top. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. 60 seconds to a minute, 60 minutes to an hour. 60 times 60 gives us 3,600. Multiply this out, and we will get approximately 9.6728 milliliters per second. But again, we're going to have to round because our original only had 2 significant digits, and that is the least precise in all our calculations. So the final answer is 9.7 milliliters per second. Now we're going to convert an area. So we have 3,400 square feet, or feet squared. We wish to go to meters squared. We're going to use the linear conversion factor. There is 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet. But that is the linear factor, so we need 2 of it. So we square it. And this will give us 315.84 meters squared, which again is an approximate. And we need to round it to 320 meters squared. Now, to put this in your calculator, there's a couple different ways. Okay. The easiest way is just to do 3,400 divided by 3.281 squared. Okay. Now again, in your calculator, there's an A/B button, and it's very useful when doing calculations with fractions. All right, we have one last conversion factor here, and this one is specifically densities. We're converting densities from pounds per foot cubed to kilograms per meter cubed. So we have 61.8 pounds to 1 foot cubed. We can convert the pounds to kilograms. 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. Then we can convert the feet in kilogram, or the feet in meters. There are 3.281 feet to 1 meter. We cube this. This is approximately 989.92 kilograms per meter cubed. But if we look at this question, the 61.8 was 3 significant digits, which is the least amount of significant digits in our calculations. So we need to round this to 3 significant digits, which would be 990 kilograms per meter cubed. But if you look at this, 990 only has 2 significant digits. So you'll sometimes see somebody put a bar above the 0 to indicate that is significant. Another option to indicate significant is you could have done scientific notation. This is another way to get around this issue.